Welcome to Adams County, Iowa's new website. As you can tell, it's been greatly improved for easy accessibility. In our top menu, we have a directory, and if you hover over the directory, it will give you the list of the different departments that you can reach to find out the information you need. And then we have a services tab that will help you find the services that are offered by the county and where to go for those. We also have an elections tab that will help you find out about absentee ballots, election information, election precincts, and election results. The visitors tab is for visitors from out of state, and we've left that for later. We also have an About tab that will help us know about the cities and towns and the history of Adams County. Now, when you go below, we also have direct links to jobs availability, the election results, and frequently asked questions. We also have quick links where we have courts, the DMV, sheriff, voting precinct, and the Veterans Affairs and History. These are tabs. These are links that were asked for specifically by the citizens of Adams County. We also have a calendar over here on the side. You can click in to find out about upcoming events. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll find out about the courthouse hours, the holiday closings, and how to contact them. As we proceed, we can click on the DMV, and it will take us directly to the Department of Motor Vehicles and tell us all of the information we need to be able to go and take a test and how to do that. By clicking up on the logo, it will take us straight back to the home page. And by clicking on voting precinct, that will take us here where we can put on all of our information, and it will just automatically generate what voting precinct we're from. Also, if you click on here, this will take you to the history page. The history page offers stories, photos, and genealogy. If you click on photos, it will take you here with the list of different dates. And on this date, it will take us to a picture, and then you can scroll on through with all of the pictures for that specific date. When we go back here to Adams County, and we go to the directory, we can do all the same things from here besides the quick links. So we click on DMV, it takes us there. We click on history, it takes us to the same places. And then we can go here to the elections. Separate, we can't get it to work. Well, anyway, you can go to elections and click on election precincts, and it will take you to the voting precincts. The About tab will take us to the history once again. There it goes, it's working now. So as you can see, this is all intertwined, so it works really quite well together. We have a search bar at the top so that the visitors can search anything that they need to get to exactly where they need to go. These are the two cell phone apps that I created to go with the website. As you can tell, they're really very similar to what is on the website. We have the voting precinct, and then they put their information in and do a search. And here they choose what the date is and go from there. Thank you for looking at this website and how it functions. I feel like we've taken care of most of all of the heavy information and filed it away so it's easy for visitors to see. Thank you.